Guys, we are out here in the countryside in Istanbul, and we have got a wild beast behind me that we're going to be showing you today. This is this monstrous 993 Turbo, 993 ES. It is our own reimagination of a 993 C4 rebuilt to ES signature levels, and it's an absolute monster. 850 wheel horsepower. It's 1,000 crank horsepower in a 993. So just take a minute and take it in. So guys, this started out as a 993 C4 base car. So it wasn't a turbo from factory, it was just a C4 base. And it came into ES motor, and it was a full reimagination of the car. It now has the 993 GT2 kit on there, along with some BBS custom wheels. But also, apart from that, check this out. It has custom fitted some 996 OEM ceramic brakes. So the actual knuckle for the hub had to be custom CNC made to allow them to fit. It also rides on some Olin coilovers. There's a whole load of work that's been done on the suspension and the arms underneath the car as well. Interior has been redone with the Recaro buckets. These were the actual buckets that were found in the 993 GT2 as well from factory. But yeah, as you can see, it's a very, very neat build. And it looks amazing. Sounds insane as well. This thing is just, it's a different level. And as you know, we're doing a little bit more on the air-cooled stuff now. We have the 993 and the 930 in the UK, as well as, you know, a couple of other air-cooled builds that are coming up. So we just wanted to give you a little bit of a taster of what's to be coming later on this year.
We literally are in the 993. I mean, what power did this car make on the dyno?
850 at the wheels.
850 at the wheels? Yeah. Nice. Bro, literally driving in Turkey is not easy, is it? So busy.
It's so busy.
Honestly, no matter where you go, it's mad. I was literally waiting for that. Bro, this car is so small, and you got running 850 wheel horsepower.
Yeah.
Bro, that's insane. Is it stable?
I mean, it's quite stable, you'll see. In second gear, of course, we have some spin issues, but from third gear, it's perfect.
What suspension setups on this?
It has balance.
Oh, look. Coilovers, nice. And did you do anything to the bodywork to make it stronger, basically?
Not really. It has just the GT2 body kit. On the body kit stuff, that's it.
Nothing on the strap bars or strap braces and stuff like that?
Just, I think it's a strap bar.
Just upgrade the strap bar. Nice. But but even the interior, it all looks OEM.
We tried to make it close to OEM as possible.
And then you got the Cyvex little control module here.
Yeah, we have the tiny dash with our 3D printed bracket.
ESMO bracket, that looks pretty cool.
It shows the boost, ethanol content, and map number, intake air temperature, water injection pressure, everything you can see there.
And I was driving this car earlier, the clutch feels amazing. What clutch is in this car?
It's an upgraded Sachs clutch, like an organic Sachs clutch.
Especially being in Turkey, where you've got literally every single road is hills and mountain, so you're gonna
Yeah, it's really tricky.
yeah, the biting point is perfect as well. And bro, again, like this car's running on Cyvex, it's got so much power, we're in traffic, and this car literally feels like stock.
Yeah,
It-
that's what we try to do basically. The feeling, try to keep it as OEM as possible. That was the main intention. Actually, it's not like only a powerful car.
Because this drives like the 993 that we bought. It drives, honestly, I can feel it already as being in a passenger seat. It drives so much better than that. You know what the other good thing is? Like the revs, they stay pretty solid at one position. It's not flaring up and down, or it's not breathing heavy,
gauges
nothing.
work
Like
as well.
literally, all the gauges are working, yeah.
Yeah, that's something.
AC works.
Yeah, AC also works.
Nice. Bro, looking in this rearview mirror, look at the arch. It looks so wide.
By the way, this car has our titanium exhaust with cats.
Oh, with cats.
Yeah,
200 CO?
200 cell cats, and it's like a full street setup basically.
I'm guessing that's what the customer wanted. That's what he got, right?
We wanted to reduce the smell and the emissions and stuff. He wanted to keep it as OEM as possible.
Nice.
So we opted with the custom exhaust system, our custom one with the 200 cells, HES custom cats. The good thing is they are still good for 1000 horsepower. So
It's literally making 1000 bhp,
yeah,
right? At the
because
crank.
Not every 200 cell converter is the same. You know, they have different sizes and different specs. So we have to order a different one for the power goal.
See, that's what I mean about the traffic in Turkey. It's insane. Honestly, probably one of the most busiest countries I've been to. Oh man, this cage looks pretty nice. It looks very nice. So you got this from Porsche?
Kind of, the supplier.
Oh, wow,
supplier, yeah. Not Porsche direct.
And the same with the roof as well.
Yeah. Basically, this car had a different interior with the previous owner, and the current owner just wanted to make it all black and new.
Did you take care of the bodywork as well, or?
Yeah, we have a guy that's responsible for that.
Also, everything of this was done in-house. The engine, the bodywork, body kit.
Not specifically.
Not
in my shop,
ESMO,
but we
yeah.
have a guy for
But
sure.
you organised everything. You took care of everything. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is what we're doing. The same thing in the UK. If there's customers there, we will take care of the bodywork, engine, everything.
Yeah, like
so
a
A to
complete
Z.
solution, basically.
Complete solution. You just come and drop your keys, and that's it.
Yeah. Also, don't forget this car has the PCCB, Porsche 996 ceramic brakes retrofitted. we had to make billet wheel carriers, so we can retrofit the 996 original ceramic brake kit.
Oh wow! And you've already took this car out and done a draggy number, haven't you?
Yeah,
That was quite fast.
yeah, very fast. It was like I went with one shift starting from third gear.
Yeah.
I went 3.8 seconds.
3.8 seconds.
Yeah.
Wow. And that was with full tank of fuel as well.
Yeah, almost. Almost
that's-
full tank of fuel, and like the car has definitely more room to go. I was like running 1.85 bar, so definitely has more room. But I thought it was enough, you know, like 3.8 seconds on this car.
It's fast.
It's really fast.
Really fast. And I bet it feels much faster.
Yeah.
What compared to a Turbo S 992, Turbo S and this, I bet it must be completely different, right?
Yeah, definitely.
This feels a lot more raw.
Of course.
A lot more scary.
But you will experience now. There's like different feeling, which it's hard to
explain.
Yeah, hard to explain. It's not like so loud because of the exhaust system, but like it feels fast, but it's silent. You know, but you just feel and hear the turbo noises and the blow-off noise, which is really good, like old school cars, but like proper. You'll experience it shortly.
Nice. Can't wait because this bloody traffic in Istanbul is just insane. So trying to find a quieter road is going to be a bit of a mission as well. We haven't even gone out of second gear yet. Into third gear. Oh, it sounds so good.
And the valves open after some boost as well. It's the valves as well.
Oh, so it's valved exhaust and they only open up on boost?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's how I set it up. So we have the Cymex WMI module. So we're monitoring the pressure. If there's no pressure, the ECU automatically reduces the ignition timing, adjust the fuel, and adjust the boost accordingly. So it's like a kind of fail-safe system where there's a problem with methanol and the driver is not aware, the ECU automatically adapts to that condition. So it saves the engine.
Bro, that was only literally 1000 RPM.
Yeah.
From 3000 to 4000. That feels lively. Emre, this is behind the scenes stuff people don't see.
This is the stuff Emre does on
I feel like I'm training.
Military, yeah? Oh, you already done it, haven't you?
Yeah.
2 years.
Yeah.
I said you done it in Turkey for 2 years, isn't it? By the way, in Turkey there's a rule that as soon as you turn 18, you have to spend 2 years in the military. So this guy is not just a tuner, he's in the military as well, look. But is it okay to put our foot down one time though, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, because he's gonna ask us to do it.
Yeah,
Fly
sure.
by.
Cool, let's go. Okay, Habibi, tell me where we going.
Bro,
This is base boost. 1.2.
fucking hell, bro. Oh, you feel it pulling.
Yeah, it's 1.2
like literally
bar.
in the back of the seat.
It's just base boost.
Bro, you were obviously the follow car. How did the car sound?
Sounds epic.
Yeah?
Yeah, next level.
Abid,
Hear it.
how was it?
Sounds amazing. I want to keep it U-rated.
That sounded deadly.
Emre, obviously you were the driver. I know you built the car, but as a driver, what do you think it was?
I love the car, to be honest with you.
You love it, innit?
Yeah, really, it's just the feeling and the sounds, the blow of sounds, and the car is loud, but not loud. You know,
Yeah,
you know what I mean? It's
he
like
had 200.
proper.
It's got 200
Yeah, and the valves and the wastegates are not dumping to atmosphere. It's dumping back into the exhaust.
It's going to be a lot louder. It can be as
So
Look,
yeah, this is like very civil, right?
literally, it looks so good even just there, innit? Let's put your foot down.
guys, the 993 you guys have seen, it's an absolute beast. A very, very unique project, one of a kind, but we're going to be doing lots more, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
So we got a few more in the pipeline. Emre's just being a bit humble about it. He knows there's a few more coming.
You know, it's my usual style.
Yeah, he doesn't want to play his cards, but listen, there's going to be some insane air-cooled stuff because it's an exciting time for us to get into this a little bit more now.
Exactly. And this one came out like one of my favorite cars. Like, drives amazing.
Yeah, it's such a nice car.
Such a nice car. The complete package is really amazing.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, look, guys, you might think it's an expensive project to go into, but look, think of it this way. You can go out in London, you can have an Aventador SVJ, you can have, you know, a Ferrari or a new GT3 RS or whatever it is, just a modern car. You'll go into London or somewhere and you'll see like 5 of them. You see like 3-4 Revoltos.
Yeah.
In Dubai, you see like crazy amounts of these sort of cars, right? However, you pull up in something like this, you're going to be
this is
man.
unique.
Yeah, very unique, yeah.
And the thing is, it's flexible. We can do any kind of interior, any kind of paint. It's like fully custom.
And the main thing is it still drives like a modern car.
Yes.
That's it, guys. You heard it from the man himself. And like I said, we have our own 993 turbo build that's going to be absolutely insane. We've got some crazy plans for that. We've got the 930 coming and a couple of 964s as well. So yeah, there's going to be some killer
air-cooled episodes.
Yeah, that's
pending,
it. Exactly. That's it.
you can say.
Air-cooled season is just beginning. ES Motor is changing the game in 2026. Just make sure you guys stay locked.